We reported that Virginia Beach School Board voted and passed a cell phone policy for students at last night's school board meeting. But at that meeting, the heated topic of sexually graphic books that some say are inappropriate came up as well.
And you know, the timing of this, it comes as a lawsuit involving two books is just days away from being heard in a Virginia Beach courtroom. News 3 reporter Angela Bohan joins us now with an update on that.
All right, so Angela, we know that the school issue is separate yet somehow related to this lawsuit.
That's right, Kurt. This case is really geared toward bookstores selling books with questionable content to minors. However, the lawyer filing this suit tells me it really started with the school libraries. He says that's where the demand was created. He also says this is an unusual case that could lead to changes nationally.
It's the first real book challenge we've had in 5 decades in the United States. And it actually has legs to it.
Virginia legislator and attorney Tim Anderson filed the suit on behalf of Tommy Altman, a Virginia Beach parent. It is against the authors and publishers of the books entitled Gender Queer and A Court of Mist and Fury. They want bookstore chain Barnes & Noble and other bookstores to require parental consent before selling sexually explicit or what they call obscene material to minors.
It's really about restoring parental rights and controlling the things that their children can have access to, just like we do R-rated movies, just like we do violent video games, just like we do with cigarettes and alcohol.
Some argue it's a violation of the First Amendment. We received a statement from the ACLU of Virginia. They wrote in part, "The law being considered in these cases has a number of constitutional problems." It concluded with, "We hope that the court will not only dismiss these cases, but hold that the law as it is written is unconstitutional." But Anderson feels he and his client have traction.
Bottom line, it's adult material. It's written for adults. We're not trying to restrict the books from adults.
We should note Anderson says Virginia Beach schools have pulled those books from their libraries, and the school division is contesting the court order, citing an exemption for schools listed under a legal code of Virginia. Whatever plot twist this case takes next week, it could affect regulations nationally.
I suspect that whatever the result is, whether I win or they win, it's going to end up in the Supreme Court of the United States at some point. And there's going to be some new standards, I think, that will be set down.
And the case is scheduled to go before a judge in Virginia Beach next Tuesday morning. Of course, we'll keep you updated on any rulings. Angela Bohan, News 3.